Speed control of the Vetter small conveyor with the setpoint device VSW-11. The setpoint device is installed upstream of the drive of the corresponding conveyor and is easy to operate manually or can be electronically controlled via one of your system's existing controllers. This way, you individually determine the conveying speed of your conveyed goods to suit your requirements. This model is ideally suited for control cabinet installation. The VSW-11 can be conveniently clipped onto the top hat rail. Connection using the example of a conveyor with foul harbor brushless DC motor with integrated speed controller. Please always refer to the connection plan for the respective conveyor. The Vetter small conveyor is connected to the setpoint device at connectors 1 to 8. The customer side connection with plus 24 volts DC or ground is made at connectors 9 to 16. To reverse the rotating direction of the conveyor, change the connection at connector 11 from ground to plus 24 volts DC. Connector 16 controls the power supply to the motor. If you remove the voltage, the conveyor stops. This allows you to actuate intermittent operation. Attention! Never clock the conveyor via connector 10. There is a risk of damage to the control electronics. Alternatively, you can also operate the setpoint device with only one ground and one plus 24 volts connection. The bridges built into the unit create additional ground and plus 24 volts tapping possibilities at connectors 13 and 14. After connection, the speed of the Vetter small conveyor can now be conveniently controlled via a rotary potentiometer on the setpoint device. Do you have any questions? Then simply get in touch with us. We look forward to hearing from you.